Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today has been not a very great day for me. So I'll let you know what has happened. So I booked a loss of 1497, but to be honest, my losses would be something like 6 to 7,000, including the charges and all. So this is all my order book. So I've taken multiple trades. One thing is to get rid of this heavy taxes from the futures. I try to utilize options, but then these options didn't give me the best result because I was so confused, I was so frustrated at one point. So I couldn't capitalize much on options except for this, call option. This one is a scalping trade. I don't even want to get into the details, but I'll tell you where have been my quality trades today, where have been my quality setups all through the day. So first of all, what was my bias for the day that we are coming into the markets? Once market has slept this liquidity, I have entered in, I have taken a short position right here itself, and my stop loss was ideally somewhere here because I know that all the people who have gone long seeing this, bars, they might have trapped, so they might get trapped. So that's the main reason I wanted to short here and then target all the way to these lows. But market didn't go as expected. It has created new highs. And one thing was very clear that after all these highs, of the all these continuous bullish bars, so it was very clear that the market will not sustain this bullish trend because what happens is how many times that the breakouts will work. See, if you imagine, there is some sort of accumulation, there is some sort of manipulation, and there is some sort of distribution. See, most of the times after this accumulation, when market gives a strong breakout, the chances of it working successfully is very less. And to my experience, so once market has taken out this liquidity, it has it should obey this swing high, but then market has manipulated all the buyers through this up move, and it started coming slowly. I couldn't capitalize this whole move because I knew, um, I lost interest. To be honest, I was sitting with a loss of somewhere around 18 to 20,000 loss. But then two quality trades have saved me. If I had stuck to only futures, I would have either escaped with a minor loss or would have made some money. But then choosing options, monitoring both charts, futures and options, has given me very bad result. I don't think I'll ever find a solution for this because you try to trade options only because of the charges are less, but then there is something called DK, and there are two different charts that you have to monitor. There is no stop loss in the options chart as well. So option buying especially is too risky for the same reason that it's very hard to manage two charts. Yeah, maybe it is working for some other people, but for me, it is not at all working. I need to I mean, I should fix myself to trading futures only, if at all the reason, because only this would make sense. Anything else is not at all making sense for me, to be honest, guys. So I'll tell you the quality trade second. I mean, after all the butchering happened in the options, I have taken good quality trades. One is, you know, taking shots, aiming till this low. Why this low has an importance is because, you see, guys. See, market has created a bullish up move. It retraced and then it has created a bullish up move. It has swept all the liquidity, though it is not a clear liquidity for any sort of people who wanna trade the opposite direction. It has given a vague, liquidity sweep. But then what happened? This is a bull bar, and then market has come to this discount level, and this again has given a bull bar. See, all the people who are trying to go long, this creates a impression that everybody wants to go long or target high from these levels, because this is some sort of a double bottom, and there is some sort of inversion happening over, because this is the only fair value gap that market has inverse, and market could ramp up. But is that how the markets move? Ideally not. So that is the main reason I think I've gone to 1 minute chart and I have traded this. Yes, after seeing this whole setup, I have taken shots. I think First thing is I have entered shorts here. I have taken a stop loss, and then once market has gone to this level and swept this sort of liquidity, I entered somewhere here. I'll show you this trade. Something like 1 o'clock. I'll show you the order book, guys. 12:59. See here, you see at 12:59, I have executed 300 quantity futures. 25067 was my price. 25067.2. Yes, somewhere in this zone, I have taken a short entry and I have placed my stops here, and I have held all the way till this low. I think till this low, I guess 25,020 was my exit price, something like that. Uh, yes, 25,020 was my exit price. So this is one good quality setup. If I had stuck to trading futures alone, it would have been so nice for me. So this is one trade, and the first trade that I got SL was here. Even though I had taken an SL, I have taken SL here, it would have been so nice that I've captured all through this, ad, trend. The second trade is that Bank Nifty, yes. In Bank Nifty chart, I have not captured the whole move. I have not even taken advantage of this whole move, even though my bias was bearish. Secondly, what I have observed is that even once market was here, I knew there are equal lows that are yet to be taken out by the market. If you see this low and this low, see, it hasn't taken out the stops of this low, so it's still open. So that was the reason, and the second reason was there is this fair value gap. So once market has tapped into this fair value gap, and then I have gone to the 1 minute. In 1 minute, I'll show you guys. Okay, this is no gap candle. Yeah, I've entered somewhere. I'll show you. I'll show you the order book at 225. 225. Yeah, this is exactly where I have entered. 225. My stop was on this high, and then my target was all the way till the low. So this is another good quality trade because there are multiple reasons. There are equal lows resting here. There is a fair value gap that market has tapped into it, and there is some sort of inversion also. So everything sat properly in this trade. Even though I have marked a level that market might be bullish from here because it could take out these highs, to my understanding, because this has been a manipulation move. This is a liquidity sweep. This is an order block, or you could call it as a rejection block, and then market is slowly trying to go upside. There are multiple reasons why this might work. Even though it doesn't work, it has given already 1 is to 1.5, 1.7. See, these are all the quality trades, guys. If I had stuck to only trading futures, it would have been so nice. But then, trying to trade options, I have burnt my hands. So this has never been the ideal scenario for me. Every time I try to trade options, leave and forget about the amount you make. But psychologically, I'm so adept up trading options, especially option buying. Even it has been the same for me to for option selling as well. Monitoring two charts, couldn't place the SL. I don't know, some other people might have technically put their stop losses based on their loss and all. uh, any day, any time, trading mark to mark, price to price is the goal, guys, is the key to your fundamental happiness in trading, because you should be able to set your stop loss and take profit orders, and then get away from the system. Your setup obviously will give you one result, either it's a TP or it's a SL. But then trading with options just because we are getting it for less money is not the key, guys. It's very lucrative, but it's very risky. This is not how we should be trading in a long term basis. Uh, That's it, guys. That's it from my side. I'm totally effed up. I think I'll take a break for the day and we'll come back to the markets with much more conviction for tomorrow. So, see you guys.